MS3X pre-assembled DIY auto tune. I decided I wanted to install a transmission temperature sender in my MS3X. In looking through the manual, I figured out that if I was going to install a two-wire sender, I needed to install a bias resistor on the expansion board. So this is the board right here. You open up your Megasquirt by taking off the two top screws there and the two top screws there, and then the two I don't know, header screws or whatever you would call them that hold in this DB37 connector right here, and the whole thing pops out and comes free. Now if we look, get a little focus going on here, the R65, R66, R67, those are where you're going to solder in your bias resistor if you need one. This is only necessary if you're running a two-wire sender. So these correspond, these three resistors spots I just showed you correspond to, this is my bad drawing, external map would be R65, R66 is Ego 2, and R67 is spare ADC. So what I did is I went to DIY AutoTune, and for probably overpriced, but $3 and plus shipping, I ordered two of these, which are 2.49K quarter watt 1% carbon resistors. And what I've done is I went and took one of these little guys and popped her in right there. And then from the back side, we are going to proceed to solder this component in, nip the leads short, put her all back together, and I should be able to use a two-wire sender to read temperature from my transmission at that point. I'm going to move on with my next video to my car, where I'll show you how I installed the sender, and then I'll probably do another video for setting up TunerStudio to show you how I configured the software to read this. That's all.